See, some days back, I had sent a letter to the High Court, a memorandum, or we had sent a representation to the High Court, explaining the plight of what is happening in Panjim. And what I had asked for was, since there is such a huge amount of dust, and I had highlighted there is so much of dust, I myself am having problem with my wife at home. I'm using 4 air purifiers at home. So we had, what my request was, ki, all these work that are going on, I had inquired with pollution board and the other authorities whether they have got any kind of methodology to monitor what is happening to the air quality during the process of undertaking these activities. They did not have anything. They do not have replied to me that they don't have any kind of a mechanism. So I have sent a representation to the High Court, hoping and requesting that they will come. They will provide some relief. They may take it as suo moto and allow us to pass some directions. They should monitor and they should keep the place clean. But unfortunately, that is not the process, and it has not happened. So now me and like-minded people, we have now filed a petition before the High Court, fundamentally requesting the same thing. And more importantly, in the PIL, I am not asking, or we are not asking that this should be stopped or that should be stopped. Okay. Now I am living in Panjim for the last 52 years. All of us, maybe all of you also people are living in Panjim. PIL per se is in the interest of everybody in Panjim. I don't think even a single person in Panjim can disagree with what is written and disagree with what is sought for. It is a good fortune now that the central government, in their own wisdom, they have decided to upgrade certain about 100 cities in India to a smart city, and it is fortunate that Panjim is one of the cities. It is welcome, it is necessary, and they have to do it. This is the first time in 50 years I am seeing that something is happening, and more so over the last 15-20 years with everything changed. The scenario, topography of Panjim has completely changed. So it is very good that whatever is happening. Ultimately, once the project is completed, we may all find it to be that yes, it was necessary to do.